Very initial, I was certainly not happy with the acquisition of a mere 30 canal land for the construction or the establishment of Tehsil Bar Mata. I accordingly directed the worthy commissioner to go for an additional acquisition of land of 30 canal. But let me go a step further. Given the fact that in the foreseeable future there is the likelihood that Tehsil Mata would be, inshallah, it is going to turn into a district. So I have directed the worthy commissioner to go for the acquisition of 100 canal of land. Like you said, कि स्वात के हवाले से आपने हवाला दिया जी कि स्वात के साथ मटा के साथ during the wave of terrorism which struck the entire Malakand division, जो जुल्म जो जबर से ये लोग हो गुज़रे हैं, जिस तौर से हमारे दरियाओं का पानी ये इस पे लोग काबिज़ीन हो गए हैं. Hotel encroachment mafia has practically set their claws and their tentacles over River Swat. ये कमिश्नर साहब बैठे हैं. Every fortnight basis he is in my courtroom with the stricted directions not to spare any illegal construction by the river bank or on the river bed of Swat. River Swat has been with us for the last millions of years. We want to leave something for our future generation, but not in the present shape. इसमें जो excavation और mining के हवाले से जो activities हुई हैं, उसके हवाले से a full halt has been put to that. वो तमाम activities have come to a halt. And my brothers, you would be all the more glad to know that a huge amount, pursuant to the directions of the High Court, 2.5 अरब रुपए हमने have been earmarked for the revival, restoration and rehabilitation of River Swat. 250 crore rupees. Likewise, 50 crore rupees for the restoration of River Panchkola, and 1,000 acres of land have been directed. I have directed the district administration, probably the land has been acquired. 1,000 acres of land for district Bonair for dumping the solid waste of the marble factories. वहाँ पे हम एक मार्बल सिटी बना रहे हैं. सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मलाकंड के हवाले से देयर आर many things that I in my own little way am doing. The next is the timber mafia का आपने जिक्र किया. Mr. President, you should also extend a helping hand to the district administration and ensure, क्योंकि the people who come all the way from Punjab and the other provinces, they are not interested in just watching your hills. They are interested in River Swat. They want to see your jungles, your forests. What if, God forbid, we are left with no forests? तो आपकी कोशिश ये होनी चाहिए कि इसको इन मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के माफिया से अपने मलाकंड डिवीज़न को महफूज करें. हमारी ये जो है मुख्तलिफ़ अनवा व अक़साम के केसेस, उस हवाले से मेरी अदालत में बहैसियत हेड ऑफ़ द ग्रीन बेंच चल रहे हैं. तो इंशाअल्लाह उनके खातिर खां नताइज आपके सामने कुछ ज़ाहिर हो गए और अब बहुत से ज़ाहिर होने हैं. Regarding the demands that you placed, you will be provided with printers, you will be provided with scanners, and inshallah let's pray together that once we have this judicial complex, which should be spread over 100 canals. I am not interested. 30 canal मेरी नज़र में इंतहाई नाकाफ़ी ज़मीन थी, लेकिन जनाब सदर, maybe you have to wait for a while. Don't ask for its construction within 5 months. It is not possible. आपको जन्नत लाने की ज़रूरत होगी फिज़िकली, मैनली, मैन पावर के साथ. तो कोशिश करेंगे कि लेट्स गो फॉर क्वालिटी वर्क. आप ये मत कहें कि जी हम इस पर एक्सपेडाइट द वर्क. इंशाल्लाह आप दुआ करें कि जिस वक्त हमारे इश्तियाक इब्राहिम साहब जब चीफ जस्टिस होंगे, he will be able to inaugurate this Mata Bar.